This video will go over how to make sure that your files sync using the new Google Drive file stream. If you are still using the web version, or if you open up the web version of Google Drive, your files will sync as normal. You're not necessarily using FileStream. If you do open FileStream from your computer, you will see all the same files that you see on the web version. So if you're creating new documents from the web version, you'll have access to those through FileStream, and they will open up through the web version to be able to edit and to save. However, if you are on a PC or a Mac and you have the Google Drive file stream downloaded and it's been pushed out to your computer, I have added the icon to my desktop, although you can also access it from the start menu. You can also access it usually in the right hand corner. There's an icon for it too. And when you open that up, you still have access to all of your Drive files. So my drive is here, my team drives are here, all of my files and folders are here, and you'll notice there's a little cloud icon next to them indicating that they're not actually stored on my computer. All of these are stored in the cloud in my Google Drive, but they are appearing and I can access them from my desktop and from my computer. So I can open up a copy of my Google Tips and Tricks here. That's a Google Doc file. And I can open it up and I can edit. It's going to open a web browser because it is a Google Doc, and I can edit this and make changes, and that's going to sync straight to my Google Drive here. So if I close and then reopen it, all those changes will be saved. What's really neat, and that is a little bit different than before, if I have a Word document that I have saved in my Google Drive and I open that up, as long as I am accessing it from the file stream, if I make changes in here, add some changes, and I save, and then I close out. If I open that same document from the file stream, you'll see my changes have saved there. So before, there used to be a little back and forth where you had to actually upload your new document into Drive. Now, as long as you're accessing it from your file stream, what won't work is if I have this document on I actually just pulled it out onto my desktop. That only makes a copy of it. So now if I open this document and I make changes to it, these changes, if I save them, they are now on my local device. They are not going to be synced in my Google Drive. So be careful so that you don't lose any of your changes. If you're saving things to your desktop, they're not getting synced into your file stream automatically. So if I want to access those changes, again, if I open that document from FileStream, notice how those changes are not there anymore. That's because this is a separate document and this is saved onto my desktop. And so in order to get synced changes, you need to make sure that when you save your document, and you can actually do it straight from Excel or PowerPoint or Word, that you're actually saving as, and making sure that you are saving it to your Google Drive file stream. And then you can even select the folder that you want to save it in. I'm going to give it a new name. We'll say Doc2, and hit save. And as long as you're saving it in there, now every time I open this document from my Google Drive file stream and not from my desktop, this will be synced. So as long as I access it from, the trick is accessing it from your file stream versus saving to your desktop. So if you can move away from saving to your desktop and making sure that you're saving into your file stream and accessing everything from your file stream, you will always have synced and up-to-date documents and files and folders. And so you'll be a lot less likely to lose documents, files, folders.